Flagler and Lakeview. So our job is to come in and remove concrete for where they want to run electrical conduits, plumbing conduits, or anything like that. So we'll come and remove the concrete. They run their electrical or their plumbing. We come back and we dial rebar. We do the termite treatment. We grade it and compact it and get it done by code. Right here, we're getting ready to pour all these back right now. So we usually come in and pour them back. So all under here is plumbing everywhere. So we're gonna bring a pump in here, get it all situated. It's about to go down, concrete everywhere at Citizens Bank in West Palm Beach. It's all throughout this building, but I'm just showing you guys a few. It takes a lot of work, a lot of coordination. Yes, sir. If anybody ever wants to know how concrete makes it in, that's what we do. Do a concrete pump. Another free game, concrete pump business. So that's how the concrete gets from that truck. It goes through the pump and connects right over here through these hoses. So that's another good business. We're always chasing concrete pump guys. Free game. Can't really see it. It's a visual sight already. You can see a lot of action. Quick. Ooh, almost fell.